You hear the hum? Sounds like just an idling truck. Up in the sky over here, where I normally see this UFO.